Hello, we are going to do a painting. Color scheme is going to be a white background. So I'll go ahead and chug a load of that. Thinking that we're going to do like a purple. This is, gosh, what is this? This is like an indigo, really. And some tinted ultramarine blue. And then we're going to do a tinted magenta. And what was it? Oh, I have a actual purple, more of a purple, true purple, almost a lavender purple mixed here too. We're going to do those colors together. Feeling girly today. Girl power. That's some girl power going on in this world right now. Girl power. All right. We will start with the bold indigo. I'm pouring it into a separate cup because I want to control the amount, and I also want to control the pour a little better. When it's in the bottle, it really sloshes out way too much. All right, that's the indigo. We're gonna go for this lavender green. Isn't that lovely? Lavender green. We're gonna go for this lavender. Highly distracted today. Too much on my mind. Painting always helps me when there's too much on my mind. Should have done this. Next time I'm going to do this differently. We'll go for the pink. This is my Quin Magenta tinted down quite a bit. And finally, we're going to go for this green gold yellow. This is actually tinted green gold. And I might regret using this instead of the lemony yellow, but yeah, it's the choice I'm making. My instincts are telling me a cool yellow will be better than a warm. So we're going to do a paper towel swipe off camera. I have a squirt bottle full of water and a roll of paper towels. We'll see how it goes. We're just going to go whoop like that. So I'm going to come over there and pull it towards me. All right, you ready? Here we go. Oh, heck yeah. That's going to be fabulous. I swear I don't think I have a spot in my room that is level. I checked the level. This spot was level, but when I put the painting here, it slid off to the side. And so now the yellow's really taken over. So I'm not really excited about that, but we'll check it out once it's dried and see what's going on. I'm pretty happy with the results here. This is the dried version with a really nice float frame going on my website for sale. Got some really nice textures, some really nice transitions from one color to the other. Some really nice negative space. It dried nice and smooth. Can't complain. Pretty happy with it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help me out. Thanks for watching.